welcome back to Duggans Junction, and today we're going to go over and look at another PCB board which you can find inside a Hornby Class 50. The PCB board example we're going to look at today is one of the older versions, which is 1621X001R6. As usual, we'll start from left to right and we'll go numbers 1 to 12 and then cover the 2 in the middle at the end. So without further ado, we've got a black wire which goes to the lighting fixture on the left hand side. Now just remember, like I've said before, always make sure you start on the fan side. Then number 2 is a red wire, again which goes to that lighting fixture. Number 3 is a black wire which goes down to the bogey for the pickups. Number 4 is a red wire which goes down to the bogey for the pickups. Number 5 is a black wire and that goes to this lighting fixture here. And number 6 is a red wire and that goes to that lighting unit there as well. So spinning across a little bit to zoom in if we can. Number 7 is a red wire and it goes to that lighting fixture there. Number 8 is a black wire and it goes to that lighting fixture there. Number 9, I'm just going to double check because I can't quite see. I believe it's black, but it's just being a bit fiddly. Well, there's not even a wire there. It's, oh yeah, so it's a black one. I'll put that back in a minute. So number 9 is a black wire and that goes down to the bogey for the pickups. Number 10 is a red wire, again down to the bogey for a pickup. Number 11 is a red wire and it goes to that lighting unit there. And number 12 is a black wire and it goes to that lighting unit there. Now we're just going to go back into the middle. Obviously you've got the motor which sits under the PCB board. The one closest towards you with all the writing facing looking at you is a red one, and then the furthest one in the back is a black one. So that's another PCB video done. I'm out of class 50s at the moment, so I'm going to box up what I've done, take them all back to the railway, and I'll grab a few more and see if there's any more PCB boards with different IDs. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this was useful for somebody, and see you on the next one.